Hi, this is Matthew Jones with Mills Ford Jeep Lincoln in Willmar, Minnesota. I'm talking to you about stock number 3I120032. It is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 4x4. This is a copper colored luxury SUV. This is a very sharp ride. You can see that it has its hardcover over the back side of the bed of the truck. It is a crew cab. Complete luxury in this one. Black on black tires and rims. Those are blacked out 20-inch rims. Take a sneak peek inside here. As you can see, we are talking luxury all the way around. It does have the ability to have satellites, dual climate controls, power seats, both driver and passenger. All the luxury items that you would need. This also does come with OnStar, heated seats for the driver and passenger. Take a look in the back here. They have their own sound for the music, for the audio system. Leather back here. The Mills Automotive Group has over 400 used cars and trucks available, including many that are factory certified. Look at that thing shine. This would be fun for anybody to drive. So go ahead, give us a call here at Mills Ford Lincoln Jeep, 320-235-0654. Come take a look. Thank you.